Hello friends! Having a tall and shapely figure definitely has its perks. It not only makes you look great in your outfit but also gives a boost to your confidence. But some people, growth hormone don't seem to be working quite effectively, while others seem to have a sudden growth spurt. To tell the truth, the height of a person is determined by his or her genetics, and it is believed that a person stops growing after reaching the age of 18 years. But there are various other factors that influence growth, and a person can still grow a few inches taller even after puberty by following a healthy lifestyle and incorporating healthy foods and stretching exercises in their daily routine. Eating fruits and vegetables to lose weight is well known, but fruits and vegetables can also help in increasing height. Before going further, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Although the height of a person is determined by the person's genetics, other environmental factors such as food and diet also have an influence on person's height. Eating a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grain, poultry and dairy products can supply all essential nutrients like calcium, potassium, zinc, manganese, vitamin C, phosphorus and proteins, which are necessary for stimulating growth and increasing height. In this video, we are going to talk about top 20 foods that increase height naturally. So do watch this video till end without skipping. So 1. Dairy products. When it comes to the food that how to increase height, there is nothing like milk and other dairy products. Milk and other dairy products like cheese, paneer and yogurt are essential for growth because they contain all essential nutrients for height increase such as calcium, proteins, vitamins A, B, D and E. 2. Egg. The list of food to increase height is incomplete without the inclusion of eggs in it. Eggs are a cheap and easily available source of high quality protein that is essential for optimum growth. Eggs are a powerful source of vitamin D, calcium and vitamin B2 or riboflavin, all of which helps in developing strong bones and a healthy body. 3. Chicken. If you're trying to increase your height after the age of 25, then chicken is one of the best food options in this case. Chicken is one of the best natural source of protein available which helps build tissues and muscles. 4. Soybean. Soybean is yet another nutritious food that provides a boost to your height when it consumed on daily basis. Soybean is a rich source of proteins, folate, vitamins, fiber and carbohydrates, which makes it a complete food for improving overall health. The protein present in soybean also improves bone and tissue mass and density, which is necessary for increasing height. 5. Banana. In reality, there are numerous health benefits of bananas. It is also an amazing fruit for increasing height. Being a such source of minerals like potassium, manganese and calcium and a healthy probiotic bacteria, bananas helps in boosting height in various ways. 6. Oatmeal. Just like soybean, oatmeal is an amazing vegetarian source of protein which is extremely important for increasing height and boosting muscle mass. Protein-rich foods such as oatmeal help in repairing bones and tissues and also promote the creation of new tissues. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds not only make mouth-watering snacks, they also help in increasing height effectively. Nuts like peanuts, almonds and seeds like pumpkin seeds, flax seeds contain essential minerals for the body, healthy fats and amino acids which help in repairing the body tissues and promote the building of new tissues. 8. Leafy green vegetables. One of the best foods to increase height is fresh leafy green vegetables, which contains all the essential minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates and dietary fibers required to stimulate growth hormone in the body, which in turn helps in boosting your height. 9. Fish. What better way to give a boost to your height than with delicious fish recipe? Fishes like salmon, tuna, sardine are a rich source of proteins and vitamin D, both of which are required for height growth. Vitamin D rich foods such as fish promote the absorption of calcium from the other food sources, which is necessary for growth and development of bones and increasing bone density. 10. Ashwagandha. This is not really a food but more of natural herbal remedy for increasing height. This herb also has the capacity to influence the human growth hormone. Add 2 tablespoons of ashwagandha powder to a glass of warm cow's milk. Add some sugar for sweetness. Drink every night before going to bed for 45 days to notice an increase in your height. A person should refrain from oily, spicy, fried and fast food while following this remedy. 11. Carrots. Carrots are vegetables that might make your kids grow taller since they have high amount of vitamin A. It is also no secret that these wonderful veggies are a rich source of vitamin C too. These vitamins preserve calcium in your bones and you can make your kids eat raw carrots or add grated carrots in salads and juice. 12. Fruits. Fruits have all the essential vitamins, minerals and fiber necessary for every child's complete growth. So including seasonal fruits along with those available all around the year is a must. Fruits like papaya, orange, watermelon, apples, mangoes and apricots are some of the fruits that are rich source of vitamin A and C. 13. Berries. Berries like blackberries, strawberries, blueberries and raspberries are fruits filled with good for height growth. They also help in cell growth and tissue repair. They have high amount of vitamin C and berries are also source of many other minerals and vitamins such as manganese, vitamin K and fiber. 14. Quinoa. Quinoa is a quickly dominated the market as a healthy replacement for many traditionally available grains. It is not only beneficial for your body but also the best food to increase height. It contains all 9 essential amino acids to body needs and is considered a complete plant-based protein. Quinoa also increases bone mineral density since it is an excellent source of magnesium. 15. Almonds. We all love eating almonds in one way or the other. Almonds help you to grow taller since it is jam-packed with vitamins, minerals, host of healthy fats and fiber. They are also rich source of fat-soluble vitamins and antioxidant vitamin E, whose deficiency may cause some growth effects in kids. Vitamin E is essential to break down bone tissues since it inhibits a cell called osteoclasts. 16. Azalea seeds. Azalea seeds or Lepidium sativum is one of the best height growth food that facilitates muscle and bone growth by promoting growth hormone production. Consuming 1 spoonful of azalea seeds once in the morning and once in the evening with a warm glass of milk is beneficial for teenagers and children alike. Cycling, swimming, stretching or 45 minutes of running is recommended with this remedy for effective results. 17. Beans. Beans are a rich source of protein and are highly nutritious. Protein is an essential factor that regulates growth in children by promoting increased insulin-like growth factor. Iron deficiency may lead to growth delay and beans are rich sources of iron and B vitamins. Many other nutrients are abundant like copper, fiber, magnesium, zinc and manganese in beans. 18. Grains. Grains and some starches are some foods that promote height growth quickly, especially during childhood and adolescence. Consuming grains filled with nutrients that will help boost your body's metabolism encourages a child's development. Adding dals, pulses to the daily diet will increase your child's height naturally. You can also achieve the perfect height by switching to whole wheat bread, pasta, cereals, etc. 19. Yogurt. Yogurt has essential nutrients in abundance that play a crucial role in healthy growth. According to some research, yogurt helps increase children's development and decreases inflammation and improved immune function. Some yogurt types contain probiotics, calcium, magnesium, potassium and phosphorus that are involved in bone metabolism. 20. Bok choy. Bok choy is a rich source of dietary fibers, carbohydrates, vitamins, etc. and is another food to increase height. This Chinese cabbage stimulates the growth glands in your body with lots of minerals in it. Therefore, you can gain height by including this leafy green in your diet. Where right foods promote growth in height, we also need to keep in mind that what food we should avoid. We have a detailed explanation on food to avoid given in our previous video. Do watch that. Along with incorporating foods in your diet, make sure to eliminate the foods that may hinder your goal of increasing your height. Get a proper guidance from a professional that will help you gain a few inches along with a healthy and balanced diet. Don't forget to let us know how this video has helped you. Comment us your queries. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Grow Taller Tips Tricks and hit that bell icon to enable notification to get our next contents. Till then, grow taller and be healthy. Team Grow Taller Tips Tricks.